Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to find block list in Litmatch make new friends application. So you can see this is the home page of Litmatch app. So what you need to do, you need to go or tap here. You can see top right bottom corner on your screen, simply tap on that, and after that you can see the settings icon. You can see top right corner, simply tap on that, and scroll down a little bit, then you can see block list, simply tap on that, and then you will see all the user you blocked already. So you can see I blocked 2 persons, so if I want to unblock them, simply tap here. It's like this one, simply tap on that, and you can see it's unblock. Tap on that, unblock. So it's really easy and simple. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you, so please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.